The difference between our process and most other jewelry manufacturers is that we are locked back in time, a couple generations back in time. We have this workshop, this little factory, but also it exists as a living, working museum. So when you walk into the boutique up there, immediately you look through a wall of glass and you can see people working. You can see processes taking place in front of you. For a lot of the equipment in here, a human is the power supply, a human is the prime mover, and for me, that is a more interesting, more compelling way to do work. When I saw this technology, what I saw was a tremendous entrepreneurial opportunity to bring lots of really compelling, important artwork back onto the scene.